Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. And today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei MatePad 11.5. Here it is, the cost-effective tablet from Huawei, which is a brand you guys know I absolutely love. And I decided to buy this one as part of the bundle with the keyboard, so I could give it as a gift to my wife, who by the way also fell in love with her present. And I had already bought this tablet a while ago, but since it's just now being released in Brazil, it's launching now in Brazil, I decided to record and show it to you because now you'll have the opportunity to buy a beauty just like this one. So the link will be here in the video description, and by using the link, you already know it helps me a lot. It'll appear on the screen during the video. Just click to make your purchase. That really helps me out. Thanks. All of this, of course, is through the official Huawei Brazil channels. And before I do the unboxing and show you this beauty, don't forget to leave a like. It's important. Check if you're subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and also share this video with everyone to help us grow, alright? Now let's get to our unboxing and first look with initial impressions of this launch here in Brazil, the Huawei MatePad 11.5. Let's go to the video, let's do it. Starting the unboxing, we have a sleeve with the model and the product image. Removing it, we have two boxes, one with the tablet inside. A microfiber cloth to clean the screen, which is different from Apple that charges 219 Rs for a microfiber cloth like this one. In this box, it comes to you for free. It also comes with a 40-watt charger and a charging and data transfer cable with USB-A on one end and USB-C on the other end. And in the other box, we have the keyboard with a protective case as well. And now with the tablet already in hand, all set up, we have a very beautiful screen. Look at this, man. An 11.5-inch LCD screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate and a maximum brightness of 600 nits. But Rodrigo, 600 nits is very little. No, man, because this tablet here has PaperMate technology, which is that matte screen, see? Look at the amount of light hitting it here, and it doesn't reflect anything. It maintains full brightness. It's a screen designed for you to read and write, right? You can also draw on it, all with a feel that's very close to real paper, right? So the user experience with it is really good. So, it's not that the screen is dim, it's a matte anti-reflective screen with this PaperMate technology too, which is really cool. And the first question that comes up, everyone comes and says, Rodrigo, but Huawei doesn't have Google services. Guys, as you can see here on the screen, I have Gbox installed. For those who haven't checked it out, there's a video here on the channel where I talk about using Huawei products, and I even show this tablet during the video, okay? Showing you what it's like to use it day to day, having a Huawei in 2026 without native Google services. How can you use it? It's really easy, no problem at all, no headaches, can you access everything? So check it out, I'll leave the link to the video here in the description for you guys too. As you can see on the screen, everything works normally, okay guys? No problem at all with Google services. And it's very convenient to carry, weighing 515 grams and it's 6.1 millimeters thick. Guys, it's extremely thin and also very light. When you close it here in the case with the keyboard, look how easy it is to carry, how simple it is to take with you. You just put it in your backpack or your bag and carry it around with no problem at all, okay? It's really easy. The back of it looks very elegant, simple, and modern at the same time. This lilac color turned out really beautiful, man. It definitely deserves a nice little smack on the back. On the right side, we have the volume up and down buttons, the microphone and noise reducers. On the top, there's the power button and two stereo speakers. On the left side, it's all smooth, nothing there. And on the bottom, there are also two stereo speakers and a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. It doesn't have a SIM card slot, only Bluetooth 5.2 and dual band Wi-Fi with artificial intelligence. We have to install it through the Play Store, as you can see here. I installed Gemini, I installed ChatGPT, I installed Grok. Everything is working perfectly fine, no problems at all. Check out this awesome feature. You can keep apps floating while you do something else. It's really cool, man. You can open 2, even 3 apps there. You can stop switching screens. Just reposition, resize, or dock it to the side while doing other tasks. When you want to go back to the app, just click on it and use it normally like a split screen, but you have the app floating separately on the screen. It's really awesome. Its keyboard is pretty full-featured too. The keys feel really smooth and soft. And to connect it to the tablet, you just fit it in the right position and that's it. It's plug and play. As for the battery, we have 10,100 milliamp hours and it's not silicon carbon. The battery life is still really good anyway, okay? It held up just fine in the tests I did here all day with plenty of battery left. Its processor is the Kirin B. It's running really well too, very smooth. You can see in Asphalt Legends that it's running perfectly, guys. No problems at all. Very smooth, very fluid. And in COD Mobile, the screen transitions are very smooth too, without any kind of lag or delay. Man, really awesome, but unfortunately this thing doesn't have any kind of certification. No protection against splashes, water, drops, or dust, nothing, so be very careful, extra careful with it. As for the operating system, as you can see, we have Harmony OS 2.0 running on it, and unfortunately it doesn't have NFC connectivity. To unlock it, only facial recognition is available. Unfortunately, we also don't have fingerprint unlocking on the screen, only facial recognition. Or you can also unlock it by entering the password directly. And there are two versions of it, the 8128 version and the 8256 version, which is the one I decided to buy. Now let's move on to its audio and video test.
Alright guys, let's go. Audio and video test here on the Huawei MatePad 11.5. Let's check out the quality. Advanced 1080p. Turn the volume all the way up. And here brightness is also at maximum now. The audio is really strong and this anti-glare screen is just beautiful. There are a lot of lights here and it handles them just fine, man. It's really awesome. Very good, very good. It comes out through 4 speaker grills, right? 2 here. And 2 here on the other side to cover everything. 2 on one side and 2 on the other. Very good, guys.
No comments, okay? His screen is really beautiful, man. This paper matte screen thing, it makes all the difference. The screen is really beautiful. And it's audio stereo with 4 speaker grills, 2 here and 2 here, delivers fantastic sound, also very good, man. And now let's talk about cameras. On the front, we have an 8 megapixel one positioned up here, recording in full HD 1080p at 30 FPS. Let's show photos and videos taken with its front camera. Here it is for you guys, the front camera of the Huawei MatePad 11.5, okay? Just so you have an idea, here inside my office, the environment is controlled with nice lighting. I'm just holding it with my hand here, stretching it out so you can see that for making a video call or something simpler, it's going to work just fine, okay? 1080p at 30 frames per second. It doesn't have any kind of stabilization. See, I'm moving it here, okay? There won't be any stabilization, but the image is actually pretty good. You'll be able to do your video conference, your call, without any problem. Now I'm going to move to a slightly darker place. See? I'm going to show my face here in a darker, less lit area. But that's it, okay? Video here with the front camera of the Huawei MatePad 11.5, guys. Nothing exceptional here with the camera, at least the front one. It's just for you to make a video call, a video conference. You'll be able to do that just fine, okay? But it's not gonna give you that amazing quality outdoors, especially in photos at night, okay? It's a pretty limited camera, but it'll serve you well for what you need. When it comes to video calls, it'll work just fine for you. And on the back, we have a simple 13 megapixel camera, also recording in 1080p Full HD at 30 FPS. Now let's check out some photos and videos taken with its rear camera. Well, guys,
bom, galera, vocês estão vendo aqui agora o meu
30 FPS, okay? We can't use the wide angle, of course. It has a simple camera here and up to 5x zoom, see? 5x, it got a little grainy. Coming back here, it doesn't have stabilization. We've already noticed. I'm walking here now. This is the reflector I have, right? For lighting here on the table, there's another one over there. Here's the camera that records the table too. There's a softbox for my face, the front camera over there, my work screen there too, and my chair here. And that's it, a quick tour here of my recording studio, okay? A very, very simple camera, but in a pinch, in an emergency that you might have, it will serve you well, okay? Rear camera of the Huawei MatePad 11.5, guys. This rear camera here, even though it's just one camera and it's a tablet meant for studying and work, it has a camera here that actually delivers pretty good results on the back. I really liked it, okay? But anyway, Leave your opinion down below because I want to know what you think too. And now let's go to our final summary with positive and negative points in my opinion, starting with the positive points. I found its screen impressive, how smooth the screen feels and what it's like to use, its brightness, even though it's 600 nits, it's really good brightness. It's a matte, anti-reflective screen, man. I think that's really nice. I like it a lot. You can see here, look how it shines, man. Look, I can turn it anyway, see? There won't be any reflection at all, man. I think it's a spectacular screen. I really like it. I also really liked its design, its weight, its thickness, and its battery also held up really well. And as for negative points, the lack of NFC connection, but we know that's because of the restrictions from the United States imposed on Huawei, right? We know that soon this is going to change. They'll solve this problem in another way. Anyway, the lack of NFC and also the lack of mobile data connection, okay? It could have had a slot for you to put the SIM card in and have mobile data in addition to Wi-Fi, so you need to have Wi-Fi nearby to be able to connect and use it. Those are my two negatives. Anyway, what's your opinion on this tablet? Did you like it? Does it look good? Is it worth buying? Would you get it? Leave your comment down below. What did you think of the video? What did you think of the tablet? If you liked it, leave a like, and if you didn't, hit dislike. There's no problem at all. Check if you're subscribed to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates here, all right? Appreciate you guys. Thank you all so much. God bless you. Take care and see you next time. Thanks. I'm out. So,